Hey, what's up? It's 17th of July 2025, and boy oh boy, does it look bullish today. We are 15 minutes away from market open, and just look at this. Okay, first of all, look at this. What happened here? This is a 4-hour bullish break of structure over here. Boom. What does that say? If it's a 4-hour bullish break of structure, 4-hour target is over here. This high, all-time highs. Okay. Second thing, look at this sharp S&T. ES has already taken that low, but NASDAQ hasn't taken that low. And on top of that, look at this equilibrium. We hit this equilibrium over here and we bounced nicely from it. And we created a bullish S&T from it. So it's looking really good on the high time frame. But before like an hour ago, I was looking to target this high, okay? Because this one is very close and very realistic for me to target, but it has just been taken. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but overall, I'm still super bullish. I expect price to keep running higher. So at market open, maybe I'll take some manipulation here, maybe bounce down to this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, and we take our first take profit over here and potentially leave a runner. I really wish this high wasn't taken before market open, because I would have just targeted this at market open and just called it a day right there. That's an easy, high quality, easy money day right there. So what I want to see happen now is I want us to hit the equilibrium of this new bullish leg that we just created down there, and it lines up perfectly with the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. And over there, I'm going to look for a low time frame SMT, low time frame break of structure, and then I'm going to take along like somewhere over here. First target will be over here. I will scale some position out and put my stop loss to break even and potentially leave a runner to all-time highs. All right, we are touching the equilibrium and the 15-minute right now, but I don't see any bullish SMTs yet, so I don't like that. A scenario is possible where we don't bounce from this equilibrium, but rather we bounce from something like this, from this range. And look how it lines up with this liquidity level right here. So this could be a possible scenario where we come down first, take this liquidity, sweep it, and then we go up. And maybe we potentially create an SMT over here. This will be a really nice play. SMT over here, this liquidity swept, and this bigger equilibrium gets hit. That's A+, A+. Right now, I'm just trying to figure out if price wants to bounce here or it wants to come down here and bounce from this. It all depends on where we get a bullish reaction. So far, we have no bullish reaction from this equilibrium. So at market open, because of the high volatility, we could easily dump down here and hit this. And look at the 4-hour. 4-hour looks ready to take this. Look at this. This is the bearish 4-hour fair value gap that we were talking about yesterday. Guess what? It got closed above. Price cleanly closed above this over here and over here. So the next target will be over here. So high time frame is perfect. All that's left for us to do is to find a perfect entry on the low time frame. All right, it's 2 minutes away from market open and we are not bouncing from this equilibrium. So I'm thinking, I have a feeling it's gonna come down here at 9:30. All right, market just opened. Ding, 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 ding. So let's see what happens. It's easily gonna come down here. It could possibly create an SMT over here like this, something like this, because ES is nowhere near taking that same low as NASDAQ. Expecting something like this. But let's see. Do we have an SMT somewhere else? No SMTs, no SMTs, no SMTs. How about over here? We do have an SMT over here. Right now we have an SMT over here. So we could bounce from here. Let's see if we get a break of structure above here. If we get that, then I'm gonna target this, only this. But I want us to come down. That's even better. That would be even better. Okay, good. That's not a break of structure. So we're gonna take this. That's beautiful. So now we hit the equilibrium of this, but price is also going to hunt this as well. And we would also bounce into the 4-hour fair value gap again. Let's see, talk to me, baby. We are still holding this SMT. Right now I'm just waiting because I don't know what NASDAQ wants to do just yet. Okay, equilibrium's hit. Now I'm expecting us to rotate higher. But we need to take this first. Look at this, bro. Look at these lows. Oh my God, they're just screaming to be taken. And we're gonna take it right now. That would be so good, bro. Oh my God. I swear to God, I'm gonna bust a nut if that happens. What was I thinking? Yeah. This would be a liquidity sweep. And these same lows on ES would be over here. And notice how ES is nowhere near that level. That's how you know that it's gonna create an SMT before you even see it. So we're gonna create an SMT, something like this. But this needs to be taken though. Come on. Stop playing around. Take this. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So we got that. So now we have an SMT over there. How do I do this? Okay, boom. Beautiful. Now we need a reaction. We need a reaction now. This SMT is still holding as well. Jesus. But of course, it's possible that we don't react from this and just keep going down. In that case, I'm just not going to take a trade because the high time frame, as we said, is bullish. So I would not take a short trade going against the high time frame bias. But look how strong ES is, bro. There's clearly a manipulation going on here. So I have a really good feeling it's going to go up. I just have a feeling, bro. Okay, break of structure will be over here. Break of structure will be over here. So above this, I'm longing. Above this, I'm longing. Come on, come on. Keep going, keep going. We have an internal bullish SMT over here. Oh my God, bro. ES is so strong. ES is gonna drag NQ higher while NQ manipulates. All I need is this 1 minute break of structure to be confirmed. ES has already had a break of structure over there. Man, NASDAQ is just really dragging, dude. Still waiting, still waiting. Right now we're getting rejected from this 1 minute over here. Right now this might look bearish to you because we have a liquidity sweep here and we displaced down and created a bearish fair value gap. But on the bigger model, you need to remind yourself that this equilibrium is getting hit and price is simply rebalancing to over here so that it could potentially go higher. So your bias depends on which timeframes you are looking for. Right now we're slowly inching upwards. Remember, above this, if we get a confident close above this, we long. It's a 50-point move. Putting the stop loss over here will be too much. Okay, we are getting the break. I'm risking 30 points max for this. 30 points max. So that would be on 7 contracts. That would be $700, sure. $399, it was $399, right? The risk is $400. Okay. And I do want to leave runners to this level, but it's just simply going to take too long. It's going to be way past my trading window. So That's a little bit annoying. But okay, look at this fair value gap now. If we come back down, bounce there, we're kind of long. But the way ES is moving, it might not give us an entry. We'll see though. I swear to God, bro, if this thing just pumps without giving me an entry, we're gonna have a problem. We're gonna have a problem if you don't come back here. So I take it long. Man, what is ES doing? It's just going up no matter what. It's not retracing. So I can't see any S&Ts. Look how bullish this 15-minute is closing. We're obviously gonna take this in the next candle or the candle after that. You have a bullish S&T over here. I might just take this because this is a valid entry. But then there would be no clear break of structure. Technically there's an S&T here, and if we start breaking out over here, I could take a long. Put my stop loss over here, do something like this. But the risk is just not worth it. The risk is just not worth it. Yeah, like 1.4 RR. I'm not messing with that. I'm not messing around with that. We just created another S&T over here. Boom. But this is too little. I don't care about these S&Ts right now. I want us to come back down, rebalance to this. If we take a long over here, then our risk to reward ratio is just a little bit unreliable. If we long here, that gives us the best shot and the best margins for a profitable trade. So if this just shoots off right now, then I don't care. I'll just call it a day. All right, we are breaking out. Maybe we could take something like this, but maybe I could give it a shot like this. How much would I be risking if I do this? $200 for 388. I mean, we are gonna take those highs. I think I'm going long, honestly. We are so bullish, and it just does not want to retrace. It just keeps pumping up. I'm logging over here. I just hesitated. Oh my God. Because this thing's not touching yet. It kind of already touched. Damn. 1 second of hesitation can change everything. I'm just gonna, okay. I think I'm just gonna enter here, put my stop loss somewhere over here. I kinda longed that a little bit prematurely. Only 1.2. My stop loss needs to be over here, 11 points. 11 points for 7 contracts is $154. Okay. I'm gonna put my stop loss over here. That will be sell stop. Yes, I kind of broke my rules there. I'm not really happy with that. But at the same time, the charts are telling me, the price action is telling me it doesn't want to go lower, so. Okay, 7 contracts there, 22 points for 7 contracts, $318. All right, whatever. $300 is $300. I think I'm just gonna take all my position off here. Again, not the best. It did not go to my expectations, but you just gotta ride the train. I mean, this thing's just been going up for this entire session basically, with no retracements, only bullish S&Ts. Okay. Question is, should I take everything off here or we leave a runner? because I know for a fact this is going to be taken today, but I'm not sure if it's going to be taken right now. Because like in 10 minutes, I'm just going to hop off the charts because I only watch the markets for 30 minutes. Well, it seems like that was a good decision to make. I kind of hesitated, kind of took a little bit while to enter the trade. So my risk to reward ratio is a little bit screwed up. It could have been like this, 2.7, but I entered late, so it's 2R. Right now, we just let it play out. Oh, I should probably put my stop loss to break even at this point. I do not want us to come back down. Maybe like somewhere over here. Somewhere over here. Why is it not taking that? Is it already taken? It's not taken, so we should be good. God, why is it taking so long? Yo. What the hell are you doing, Nasdaq? No. Don't do that. Is it taken? Are you serious right now? 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 Don't play with me. I swear to God. I swear to God, if this thing stops me out. Dude, what the hell just happened here? My sell limit is at 158.75 and it went to 158.50. 25 cents? For real? I swear to God, dude. Don't screw with me right now. Don't fuck with me. No fucking way. No fucking way. Yo. You better take that fucking liquidity, I swear to God. Yo, that was crazy. We have an SMT over here. So I'm putting my stop loss to this low because we should not break below this bullish SMT. Please. I swear to God. Oh my God. That was some scary shit, dude. Dude, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Just take the fucking liquidity, please. Hit the take profit level, please. Got me stressing out over here, dude. This is the most stressful job in the world, dude. This is the most stressful job in the world, dude. Hit the take profit level, please. Hit the liquidity. Take the liquidity, dude. Swear to God, I'm gonna start crashing out over here. Take the freaking liquidity. I want to get off the charts. Take the liquidity, dude. This is taking way longer than it should. Oh my God, dude. For real? Are you dead ass right now? What is going on, dude? And we have another SMT. We have another SMT over here. Oh my God. Fine, I don't care. Do whatever the fuck you want. I don't give a shit anymore. Jesus. If you don't want to take the liquidity, just tell me you don't want to take the liquidity. You don't gotta tease a guy like that. Okay, take that. You gotta take that right now. 3, 2, 1, take that. Come on. Move up, move. Move. Come on, chop. I ain't got all day, dude. Go, keep going. No, don't turn back, keep going. Up, go. Keep going. You better take that shit right now. Don't tease me. Finally. How much was that? That was $300. That was the most stressful $300 of my life. Okay, so let's go through a recap. Originally, I wanted to long here, right? Originally, I wanted to long here, right? But we just kept going up and we were creating bullish S&Ts. And ES was just so bullish. NQ was really weak, but ES was so bullish. So I didn't think NQ would come down here, and I was right. So as soon as we started breaking out structure over here, I saw this clear 15-second fair value gap, took a long there, and targeted the most recent high, which is over there. That was 22 points. Only 22 points, man. I used to go for 60, 70 points. Nowadays, the market's really just not offering anything good. And now, after this liquidity is taken, it just shoots off like an asshole. It stresses me out over here, and then as soon as I'm out of the trade, it just shoots. All right, anyways, so that was that. I had a little bit of a hesitation over here. After seeing this bounce, I should have just longed over here, but I hesitated. So I entered 30 seconds later and got not the best fill. So yeah, $300 on the day. Now my account is sitting at 51,000, so 2,000 more to go and I'll pass my challenge. So see y'all later, peace.